Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
Today we will discuss about double fertilization in angiospermic plant. Before moving to our topic, we should know what is angiosperm. Kingdom has five categories, that is algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Angiosperms include all the flowering plants. They are classified as monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Mono means one and di means two. Cotyledons here represent leaf-like structure present in the seed. We can define it. Flowering plants which contain one seed is called monocotyledons, and its example is rice and wheat. Flowering plants which contain two or more than two seeds are called dicotyledons. Example is tomato, apple, etc. Plants flower may be unisexual and bisexual. When both male and female gametes are present on one flower is called unisexual, and when both male and female gametes are present on separate flowers it is bisexual flowers. Of male and female gamete is called fertilization, or it is also called syngamy. Now let us see what are gametes. Male gamete. The androecium represent the male reproductive part of the flower. The male reproductive part of the flower is called stamen. Stamen consists of anther and a filament. In angiosperm, anther is bilobe, that is, it have two lobes. It is tetragonal in structure, consisting of 4 microsporangia. इसके पास 4 माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया होते हैं. प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोर फ्रॉम अ पोलन मदर सेल थ्रू म्योसिस इज कॉल्ड माइक्रोस्पोरोजेनेसिस. Microsporangia further develop and become pollen sac, and then it extend through anther and packed with pollen grains. माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया के अंदर पोलन सैक बनते हैं और उस पोलन सैक फर्दर डेवलप होता है पोलन ग्रेन्स में. पोलन ग्रेन्स आर जनरली स्पेरिकल microspore about 45 to 50 micrometer in a diameter. It is the male reproductive unit of plant. It is the male reproductive unit of flower. It developed by sporogenesis tissue of anther or microsporangia. Each pollen grain has 2 male gametophyte. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. Now let us see the structure of pollen grains. Spherical in shape, it has two layers, that is outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer exine, which is hard, rigid, which can withstand high temperature, strong acid and alkali. Provide protection to the developing pollens from the outer environment. Intine, it is a thin layer, inner layer made up of cellulose and pectin. Between the exine and intine, there is another layer, that is middle layer, tapetum, which provide nourishment for the developing pollens. Moving to the female reproductive part. Gynoecium represent the female reproductive part of the flower. The female reproductive part of the flower is pistil, which consists of stigma, style and ovary. Stigma serve as the landing platform for the pollens. Style is elongated slender part beneath stigma. Ovary, it is the basal bulge part. Stigma serve as the landing platform for the pollens. Style is the elongated slender part beneath stigma, which serve both as connecting link between stigma and ovary. Ovary, it is the basal bulge part. Ovule arise from the base of ovary and it has single embryo sac formed from a megaspore. Ovule is attached to the placenta by a stalk called funicle. ओवरी के इनसाइड बेसल पार्ट पे ओव्यूल प्रेजेंट होता है जो मेन फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट है फ्लावर की. Pollen lands on stigma and in style they form a tube-like structure which helps the pollens to pass through the ovary and fertilize the ovule. पोलन स्टिग्मा पे लैंड होती है, फिर एक ट्यूब-लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनता है स्टाइल में जो हेल्प करता है पोलन ग्रेन्स को ओवरी तक पहुंचने में. नाउ वी हैड सीन बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर्स. कमिंग टू द मेन टॉपिक, दैट इज डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. One male nuclei fuse with egg cell and other male nuclei fuse with polar nuclei is called double fertilization. Professor S.N. Navasin in 1898 first described double fertilization in Lilium and Fritillaria plants. Professor S.N. Navasin ने पहले डिस्क्राइब किया था डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन के प्रोसेस को इन लिलियम एंड फ्रिटिलेरिया प्लांट्स में. He was the first to show that the both sperm released by pollen tube are involved in fertilization. This unique phenomena is found in angiosperms.
इन्होंने बताया था कि दोनों स्पर्म जो रिलीज होते हैं पोलर में फर्टिलाइजेशन में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं एंड इट इज़ द यूनिक फिनोमेना विच अकर ओनली इन एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट्स. We had discussed before that each pollen grain has two gametes. So one nucleus of sperm fused with egg cell nucleus, completing the process of syngamy. This result in the formation of diploid cell called zygote 2n. Zygote diploid cell hota है, that is 2n. Here both the gametes, that is male nucleus and egg cell, are haploid in nature, and when they both will fuse, the ploidy will be 2n diploid. Another male nuclei fuse with central polar nuclei or secondary nucleus, which result in the formation of endosperm, that is called triple fusion. दूसरी मेल न्यूक्लियाई फ्यूज करती है पोलर न्यूक्लियाई के साथ और फॉर्मेशन होता है एंडोस्पर्म का, विच इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रिपल फ्यूजन. लेट अस सी हाउ इट इज़ ट्रिपल फ्यूजन. सेंट्रल सेल के अंदर दो पोलर न्यूक्लियाई होती हैं. अब थर्ड वन इज द मेल गैमिट एंड दे थ्री आर हैप्लॉइड इन नेचर. So one polar nuclei, second polar nuclei plus one male gamete result in the 3n, that is triploid or 3n ploidy. It develop into primary endosperm cell and further into endosperm. Endosperm provide nourishment for the developing embryo and seed germination. Sperm nourishment provide करता है embryo को और germinating seeds को. In simple terms, that is syngamy plus triple fusion is equals to double fertilization. मेल और फीमेल गैमेट का फ्यूज़न होता है सिंगैमी बोलते हैं, और दूसरी मेल न्यूक्लियाई जब पोलर न्यूक्लियाई के साथ फ्यूज़ करती है उसे ट्रिपल फ्यूज़न बोलते हैं, और इन दोनों ही प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. थैंक यू.